Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Today I'm sharing Sara Udon recipe that was featured in the Japanese drama Kodoku no Gurume. Sara Udon in Japanese literally means plate udon noodles, and it's a specialty dish in Nagasaki, Japan. Despite having udon in its name, this dish comes with thin crispy noodles fried in oil, similar to Cantonese crispy noodles. The noodles are served with thickened gravy sauce along with stir-fried pork, seafood, and vegetables. The noodle topping is very easy to put together, and I hope you enjoy making this regional dish at home. Now let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. You can also print out the recipe here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!